Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will write the name of this application of Wolt and you will click here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.